from yesterday today. Oh my god. It's flooding again. It's flooding again. Oh no. This is the fourth time it flooded. Oh my god. My mom said to my dad, I'd buy rice and food. And I just woke up. Oh no! Oh no!